Adding a blog post to your WordPress site is really simple, and I'm going to show you how to do that here. Once you log into your site, you're going to be automatically redirected to your dashboard, and this is generally what the dashboard looks like. To add a new post, there's a couple ways to do it, but you could either go to this top bar that you'll see here, hover over New, and then click on Post. Or in the left menu, you can hover over Posts and click Add New. Either one will take you to the same place, so we'll click on one of those. Okay, and it's kind of, this part self-explanatory. You add a title to your post. And in this area down here, this is where you write your post. I have some dummy text I'm just going to paste in, but this is just where you type in whatever you want to type. To add an image, let's add one in between these two paragraphs. Just go up here to this button that says Add Media. And these are images that I already have uploaded to this blog. If you want to add a new one, just click on Upload Files, and then you can just drag and drop your images right into there. But I'll just add one that I already have on the blog. Move myself out of the way and click Insert into Post. And I automatically added it to the right side. It might do things like that. If you want it, which you generally do, you want it to take up the whole width. It just looks more professional. Just click on the image, and this little bar will pop up over top. Click on the Edit button, the pencil. Click on Center, and then it's resizing it, you see here, to medium. Click on that and just say full size. I have a blog post about the importance of optimizing your images, and they should never be huge. You should already have them resized, and I'm going to have a link to that under the video. So you can always say full size and it won't slow your site down. Okay, so center, full size, just click Update. You can see here that you can just change it to be centered right there without having to click on Edit, but you can't change the size from this. A lot of your options up here in your toolbar are just like word processing software like Microsoft Word. So a lot of them will be self-explanatory. If you wanted something bold, just highlight it and click bold. If you wanted to add a link, you could, let's link pastry to something. Just click on this Insert or Edit Link button. If you want to link to a page that's on your website already, you can actually just search for it. You can start typing and it'll show you the options that you have to link to, or you can just paste a URL in there like you're probably used to. And the same thing, if something is already linked, just click on this to remove it. There are more options. If you click Toolbar Toggle, it'll show you a few more things which are less common to use, except possibly the text color. If you wanted to change text color, obviously, again, self-explanatory. And now, before you publish a post, you are probably going to want to put it in a category so that your blog stays organized. Let's just say this post is about farmers markets. So right here, the only category we have, because we haven't set anything up yet, is uncategorized. You don't want to use that. So just click Add New Category and type it out. Click Add New Category and it will automatically be checked there. And once you have all your categories, once you have categories in place, it will show you the list of all of them, and you can just check and select any that apply. The same goes for tags. You can just click and add a new one here. Featured image is good to use for a lot of reasons. Sorry, it's over here down at the bottom. We'll set a featured image and we'll make it the first one that we used in the post. Click Set Featured Image. This is where a lot of social media will automatically grab the image from. So if you share your post on Facebook, it's going to grab the featured image. And depending on the design of your blog or website, it could use it in other places all around your blog. So it's always just important to make sure you add your featured image down there. There are generally several other boxes underneath this area that you wrote your post in. They're going to be different for each theme. So most of them for everyday use you will not need. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide them all. Otherwise, you're probably ready to publish your post. So back at the top, in the top right corner, there's this box that says publish. Before you do, it's usually a good idea to click on this little button here that says preview, and that will open a preview of what it will look like once it's published in a new tab. So this is what it will look like on my particular theme here. Everything looks good. Okay, so if you're happy with it, you just go back to the other tab where you wrote it. Just click publish and your post will be live.